What's up, everybody? This is Sha from Zamora's, and today we're doing a fill-in quarantine style using my liquid monomer from Young Nails. And we have our core French pink, our core white, and our core clear. Right now I'm about to go in with the protein bond. We're going to add that to the cuticle area, you know, where you need your refill at, that open area. Yeah, that's the cuticle area. So we're going to go in and apply that. This is to prevent lifting. You know, sometimes you see like your nails lifting down nearby the cuticle area. That's not a good look. So this is going to prevent that. Going in with our brush. I believe this brush is probably like a size maybe 10 or 12. Going in with our core white first, and we're going to start that at our free edge area, about midway through the nail to the free edge. And sorry if my hand keeps going off the screen. This is the first nail video. Going back in with our core French pink, and that's going to be our second layer. That's going to go right above the cuticle area. And you're just going to brush it like lightly. You don't want to brush it too heavy because then you'll brush all the product off the nail. You want to go into your side walls, make sure it's nice and clean around there, that no product is overflowing into your side walls, because when it dries, it won't be a good look or a good feeling when you're trying to file it. Lastly, we're going in with just a dab of the clear, just enough to coat the entire nail, because when we go back in and file, we don't want to take off any of the white or the pink that we place on there, so that clear is going to be a protective base for us. And we're starting back over midway through the nail down to the free edge. We're going to go back in with our core white. And we're just brushing lightly. Brush off as you're going, so you'll constantly see me tapping the brush on the paper towel, wiping it, and that's just all I'm doing, is just making sure I'm wiping the product off after each one. And once again with our clear, and pretty much encapsulating what we put on there. Okay, so this nail I made a little mistake, but don't hesitate to just wipe it off. If you feel like you went too far, it's nothing to just wipe it off. That's when you know you got too much product on your brush. FYI, I got these products from a few different places. I got my brush and the drill from Amazon, and I got the nail liquid and powder from youngnails.com. Young Nails core powder line is very beginner friendly, so it's super easy. It won't dry really quick on you, that you won't have time to fix your mistakes. Sometimes it's possible to pick up too much liquid with your brush, and then you go to put it into the powder, and your powder is like super loose and runny. So a great way to kind of dry that out would be to dap the other side of the brush on the paper towel to kind of soak up the liquid from the powder, and then apply the acrylic to your nail. Again, sorry for my nails and fingers being out of camera view at points. Yeah, I'm figuring it out, but I got y'all. Time for filing. Once again, I was out of camera's view, but I'm pretty much just shaping the nail, well, reshaping the nail from, putting the product on there. And we're about to get back in and do some more filing with our drill. Going in with our buffer nail bit. In your nail bit case, you would normally get two, a bigger one and a smaller one. I'm using the bigger one. It's easier to use. It kind of surfaces that whole nail. It allows me to go around in that cuticle area freely and, just file down areas where I feel like it's maybe too much, and you'll see me constantly rubbing my thumb over it just to make sure, we have a smooth surface. And we don't want to forget to, hit those side walls, going around on the sides to make sure, your nails aren't wider than what they're supposed to be. Making sure the product that you did previously put on there hasn't overflown into your side walls. Now I'm going in with our emery bit using a 120 grit nail file for our drill. And just going in once again like I did with the buffer, hitting those sidewalls, the cuticle area, full nail, ensuring that there's no unevenness in your nails. Going in with our white buffer block just to smooth the surface, make sure there's no more bumps or anything. And this is what it looks like. Now we're going in with our pH bond. This is to help the gel polish adhere to the nail, no lifting, cracking of the polish or anything like that. Now we have our foundation, and we're going to cure the foundation for 60 seconds in our UV light. Now that's cured, so we're going to go in with our top coat, and we're just gonna apply that. I didn't want any color polish. I just wanted something nice and simple because I do have the pink and whites, and I have a regular clear manicure on my right hand. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna cure that for yet another 60 seconds. 60 seconds is done, we're going to take our alcohol, whether you have 70%, 90%, 99%, 100%. Alcohol is alcohol. It's going to remove the tacky layer. Or if you have the no wipe gel polish, then that's perfect. You don't have to worry about the alcohol element of it. But this is basically to get the tacky layer off of the top coat. Last but not least, we're going to go in with our Nourish oil just around the cuticle area, just to feed that area because it's good and dry from being nicked with the file and all that good stuff. So we're going to add some nourishment back to those cuticles. And here we have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.